York, a captivating city nestled in the heart of North Yorkshire, United Kingdom, boasts a rich tapestry of history, culture, and attractions that beckon travelers from all corners of the globe. With its origins dating back to Roman times when it was known as Eboracum, this charming city has seamlessly blended its ancient past with a modern, vibrant atmosphere. One of York's most iconic landmarks is the imposing York Minster, a Gothic masterpiece that has stood as a symbol of the city for centuries. Visitors can explore the intricately carved stone facades, ascend the tower for panoramic views, and appreciate the dazzling stained glass windows that adorn its interior. Delving further into history, York's city walls offer an opportunity to walk in the footsteps of Roman legionnaires and medieval knights. These remarkably preserved walls encircle the city, providing both a scenic promenade and a unique perspective on York's historical evolution. Don't miss the Micklegate Bar and Monk Bar, two of the 4 grand gatehouses that still stand as gateways to the city. York is renowned for its immersive museums, such as the Jorvik Viking Centre, where you can step into the Viking Age and explore reconstructed streets of a 10th century settlement. The National Railway Museum is a paradise for train enthusiasts, housing an extensive collection of locomotives, including the famous Flying Scotsman. Stroll along the Shambles, a picturesque medieval street with overhanging timber-framed buildings, housing quaint shops, boutiques, and charming tea rooms. It's no wonder that this enchanting street inspired the settings of Diagon Alley in J.K. Rowling's Harry Potter series. To get a sense of the city's haunted history, embark on a ghost tour, where expert guides regale spine-tingling tales of York's darker past. The city's ghostly legends come to life as you explore its narrow, winding alleyways and hidden corners. Food enthusiasts will delight in York's culinary scene, with an abundance of eateries serving everything from traditional Yorkshire puddings to international cuisine. The bustling Shambles Market is a great place to sample local produce and artisanal goods. Nature enthusiasts can enjoy the tranquility of the York Museum Gardens, an oasis in the city centre, or take a leisurely stroll along the banks of the River Ouse, which meanders through the heart of the city. For those seeking retail therapy, York offers a diverse shopping experience, from high street brands in Coppergate Shopping Centre to independent boutiques in the historic streets. Be sure to pick up some York-made chocolates as souvenirs. The city is renowned for its chocolate-making heritage. In summary, York is a city that seamlessly blends its rich history with a vibrant modern atmosphere, offering an array of attractions and activities to suit every traveler's interests. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, a shopaholic, or simply looking to soak up the ambience of this enchanting city, York has something special in store for you. So, step back in time and immerse yourself in the captivating allure of York, where every cobblestone street tells a story, and every corner is a treasure waiting to be discovered.